Today I'm going to teach you how to create clickable list items in Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to make your website more interactive and guide visitors to specific pages or content with just one click. Let's dive right in. First, head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all your websites. Simply click on the website where you want to create your clickable list item. This will open up the editing interface for that specific site. Once you're inside, look to the left side of your screen and click on Website. Under that option, you'll see Pages listed. Go ahead and click on Pages to view all the different pages within your site. This is where you'll find the page you want to modify. Now, locate the page where you want to add your clickable list item and click on it, then click Edit to open the page editor. This is where you'll start building out your interactive list. Next, you'll want to add a new section. Click on Add Section, and from the options that appear, click on List. You'll be presented with several templates to choose from. Browse through them and select the one that best fits your website style by clicking on it. This will insert the list section into your page. Now comes the important part. Click on Edit Content to start customizing your list items. Here, you'll want to enable the Show Button option. This is what makes each list item clickable. Once that's toggled on, head over to the Content tab. Make sure each button has button text that clearly describes where the link will take your visitors. Then attach a link to that button by entering the URL or selecting a page from your site. You'll need to do this for all of your content items in the list to ensure they're all clickable and functional. Once you've finished setting up all your list items, click Save to lock in your changes. Then click Exit to leave the page editor. You're not quite done yet though. On the left side menu, click on Custom Code. Under that option, click on Custom CSS. This is where you'll add some styling to make your clickable list items look exactly how you want them to. I'll paste the code here, and feel free to pause the video so you can copy it. You can edit the code to match the design and color scheme of your website, making sure everything looks cohesive. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Save to apply your custom CSS. And that's it. You've successfully created clickable list items in Squarespace, making your website more engaging and easier to navigate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.